As we're gaining momentum, as we're gaining skills and practice on how to solve these rational expressions through addition and subtraction, one of the habits I like to get into usually is let's rewrite our original problem all in its base factors. Well, y plus 2, I can't factor it any farther, but its denominator I can. As a 4, a y plus a 4. Minus, on the other side of 2, looks like I can factor its denominator as well. As a y and a y plus a 4. As you are starting to pick on up, this lowest common denominator now is a collection of all the unique factors in the denominator. So based on this, I can determine my lowest common denominator now will have a 4 in it, a y plus a 4, a y. I don't need to add a second y plus a 4. Neither term has two y plus 4s. Only has one y plus 4. Or another way of seeing that, if we collect them, we collect all the factors of the first term, 4, y plus a 4. Look at the second term and add what's unique. A y. Look at the y plus a 4. Well, my collection already has a y plus a 4, so I don't need to add it. So let's go back now and let's add the factors to our expressions that we don't have. Y plus a 2 over a 4, y plus a 4. Well, my lowest common denominator said I also have to have a y in there. So I'll multiply the first term by y over y. Subtract 2 over y times a y plus a 4. And what's missing there? A 4 is missing. So I'll multiply it by a clever version of 1. And I'm going to choose 4 over 4. Now the process is just kind of cleaning it on up from here on out. Y plus 2 times y. Y squared plus 2y. All over the stuff. 4y. Y plus a 4. Minus 8. 2 times a 4. All over my common denominator. 4y. Y plus a 4. And then the final step is just subtracting on through, now that I have a common denominator. Y squared plus 2y, take away an 8. Now what I can check also on this particular problem as well is it in its reduced form? And we might see that I can reduce some things out of it. I don't know for sure, but that top part looks like it could factor. And so let's look at everything in its factored form and see what happens. If I factor this top one out, I get a y plus a 4 and a y take away a 2. On the bottom, I have a 4y times a y plus a 4. Well, look at that. There does appear to be a factor that's common to the top and the bottom. And when that's the case, that's essentially a clever version of 1 that's hidden in there. And I can cancel those guys out. And my final solution is y minus 2 over 4y. So this problem had a couple of things into it. One, I factored everything out to find out what my lowest common denominator was. I had a subtraction sign I had to kind of be aware of. And then my first solution, I thought I was done, but I had to check it to see if it would reduce. And it did reduce because inside of it, there were some common factors that I can go ahead and cancel out.